Good day, everyone. We are the BSN 3B Group 2B, and today we are going to present our research study entitled Coping Strategies to Stress of Nursing Students. We'd like to start our presentation by introducing ourselves. My name is Jessica Alodnik, and presenting with me are Maria Cristina Gamboa, Erica Francis Garde, Jericho Guanco, Abby May Hardalesa, and Keith Denise Haum.
The study aimed to determine the coping strategies to stress to third-year nursing students for the academic year 2020 to 2021. Specifically, this study seeks to answer the following question. First, what is the demographic profile of the students in terms of age, sex, religion, and section? Second, what are the different sources of stress encountered by the participants during the first semester of the academic year 2020 to 2021? Third, what are the strategies used by the participants to cope up with the stress encountered? Lastly, is there a significant difference in the coping strategies of nursing students according to age, sex, religion, and section? Research design. The study utilized a quantitative descriptive approach. The researchers have used a sample survey as a method to gather the data needed to answer the research study, and that helped the researchers to analyze the demographic profile, sources of stress, and coping strategies to the stress.
Participants of the study. The participants of this study were the third-year nursing students enrolled in the first semester of AY 2020 to 2021. Sample size for the third-year nursing students was 120.
To ensure the validity of the instrument, Gooden-Skate's validity test was used and validated by one of the clinical instructor from the College of Nursing and two from the guidance counselor of the University of St. LaSalle. The main results of the questionnaire was validated showed 3.66, which means that the instrument is valid. A 3.41 to 4.20 scores indicates a very good validity of a questionnaire. To test the reliability of the instrument, the Cronbach alpha test was used. The results showed the weight Cronbach alpha of 0.8614, which means that the instrument was reliable. A standard score for Cronbach alpha of 0.70 or higher indicates an acceptable level of reliability.
Results and discussion. Table 1. Demographic profile of the nursing students. Age. 96.7% belonged to 19 to 26 years old age bracket, while 1.7% belonged in the 27 to 33 and 34 to 40 age range. Sex. 74.2% were females, while 25.8% were males. Religion. 76.7% were Roman Catholics, while 23.3% were non-Catholics. Section. Section A has the highest number of 22.5% participants, followed by Section C with 21.7% participants and Section E with the lowest number of 16.7% participants. Table 2. Different sources of stress encountered by the nursing students. Overall, the degree of stress perceived by the participants was 3.03. Assignment and workload rank as the highest type of stressor perceived by the students. Lack of professional knowledge and skills ranked as second. And the least sources of stress were caused by stress from peers and daily life.
Table 3 shows that transference, such as relaxing by watching television, physical exercise, and taking a shower, was found to be the most prevalent coping strategy used by the students. The second commonly used coping strategy was problem solving, and the least coping strategy used was avoidance. The result, the transference as the most common coping strategy, is correlative to a study by Frank et al. 2018, which agrees that transference is an effective coping mechanism with its diversionary activities. For Table 4, coping strategies such as avoidance, problem solving, and staying positive cannot be characterized by demographic variables. Transference as a coping strategy significantly differs when the respondents are grouped according to religion. Thus, a relationship of believers towards the attachment to God was established as the predictor of a positive mental health, according to Perotinsky et al. 2019.
Conclusion. An age range of 19 to 26 years old, which are classified as young adulthood, were the major age group of third-year nursing students. Stressors are inevitable, and given the school requirements that they need to accomplish, these students also have their other responsibilities to take care of. As what the results have shown, taking into consideration worrying about having low grades is the highest source of stress encountered by the nursing students. Majority of them prefer to relax by watching movies, taking a shower, or doing physical activities to ease or lighten the stress. When nursing students were grouped according to age, sex, and sections, there were no significant difference in the coping strategies. Thus, students mostly handle stress uniformly. However, when nursing students were grouped according to religion, it has a significant difference specifically in the coping strategies and their transference. Therefore, religion and its affiliated values affect nursing students' ability to use their coping strategies on mitigating their stress via leisure and rest.
Recommendations. First, for school administrators, an activity of rest and recreate. This is a day set aside for fun and engaging activities where students can gather virtually and participate. These activities will not only respite from an overwhelming school week, but will also give the opportunity to showcase talent and refresh knowledge interactively. For the College of Nursing, an Express to Heal. A virtual group counseling that can help bolster students' mental health during this challenging transition. This program will provide a platform to express their own thoughts and feelings effectively and fosters feelings of connectedness among them. For nurse educators, an activity of pause to breathe. Allotting a few minutes of meditation before, during, or after class enables the students to take a breather. A mindfulness meditation that can help boost the students' memory, improve their focus, and minimize their stress. Most importantly, for the nursing students, there is a need to prioritize their overall health to perform all the requirements that they are asked to do. Discover the coping strategies that can help them manage their stressors and learn when to rest. And lastly, for the future researchers, further studies should be conducted on the relevance of including spiritual aspects, which covers different religions that elicit spiritual matters and activities to manage stress and discover coping strategies.
And that brings us to the end of our presentation. Thank you so much for listening. We sincerely appreciate this opportunity to present our research study, and we hope that you found our topic interesting.